Okay, this is the tutorial on how to install Survey123. We're going to go to our App Store. We're going to type in Survey123, and we're going to choose for ArcGIS. We're then going to install it onto our smartphone, and this will install the app that runs the harvest reporting software. So you can see it's loading here. And we will let this load all the way. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and close this screen so you can see it on the actual screen surface of the phone. The app is there installing, and as soon as it's installed, we're going to go into our web browser, and we're going to go to myfwc.com. So there it is. Cancel that. myfwc.com. We'll go to the home page. We're going to choose from the menu Things to Do, then Hunting. Then we're going to scroll down to the New Harvest Reporting Requirements. Click that. Scroll down the page until we get to Find, Download, and Install. We'll click there. I'm going to zoom in this page and take this first link for the ArcGIS. Click it, and it will automatically populate the survey onto Survey123. We're going to open it. It will open in the app, and you have to choose to allow the location service to run or it won't work. Now you can see that it's already opened up our harvest report. So we're going to begin by entering Joe Hunter as our name, just for the tutorial purposes. Give him a date of birth, 2-day, 2-month, and 4-digit year. Then your hunter ID number. If you don't have a hunter ID number, you can enter exempt. But if you don't have one, I suggest you go and get one. It's free, and it will help to make things a little bit simpler for you. Now we're going to go to our harvest information. If you click on the date and time, it will automatically populate that window with the current date and time. You can't adjust it if you're entering it later than the time that you killed it. We're going to go to public land. We're going to choose our county. For this purpose is Alachua. And we're going to choose the DMU. If you don't know your DMU, you can look at the DMU boundary options. In this case, we're going to say we're in DMU C5. So we will choose DMU C5. We're going to see which one we belong in. If wildlife management area, we're going to say is Grove Park. So we'll choose Grove Park. It's going to ask for the method of take. We're going to choose a bow for this one, or actually modern firearm. Let's do that. And then we're going to choose whether it's an antlered or antlerless deer. If it's antlered, you enter the number of points that are there. If it's antlerless, it will ask you whether or not it was a male or female antlerless deer. You can save that and move on, or if this is private land, we'll show you what we do there. We'll move that to private land. Still C5, but it gets rid of the management area option, and it enters whether or not you killed this on a antlerless permit. Antlerless deer program permit is what we'll choose. That's for our private lands. And then we'll enter our tag number. Now it gives you a confirmation number. You can then choose the check mark on the bottom, and you can either send it now or send it later. If you don't have any service, you can send it later. So that's what we're going to do. Now you can see that there's one in there. We're going to click that again and go to our outbox. That is where it's located. Now that we have signal, we can send it. So it's getting service, it has sent the data, and it moves it to a sent file. Now I can open up that sent file, and it shows that it's been sent and it's there. If you get stopped by an officer, this is where you look. If you need to edit it, you can edit it. If you need to copy it and do it over again, you can do it with another deer information. Since this is junk, we're just going to empty it, and we're done. When you shut this down, make sure that you close the entire program out by double tapping your screen and swiping your boards clean. Now the service is no longer running in the background, and it's not using any more of your battery. Hope this helps. Message me if you have any questions. Thank you.